Hey, what's up YouTube? Alien Rides here, and today we've got the Kaabo Mantis electric scooter. This is a nice, fairly lightweight electric scooter, comparable in a lot of ways to the Zero 10X. So I've already done a review of this scooter, but I haven't done an FPV ride yet, and I like to do at least one first-person ride with every scooter I get, so people get to see what it's like to really ride the scooter. And I'll probably try to max up the throttle at a few points during the ride. So without further ado, subscribe and let's ride. Alright guys, so we are just at Oracle Stadium right now in San Francisco. Oracle Park, I guess. And we're just gonna ride up along the Embarcadero. It's a pretty comfortable scooter. I really like the rear footrest. It's kind of like a Zero 10X. Very nimble, easy to get around. Now my rear rotor is rubbing in one spot, which is kind of annoying. Hopefully that doesn't come through too clearly on the audio. I just need to bend it back into this position a little bit better. I think it got bent in shipping, which is pretty normal. Passing the beautiful Bay Bridge right now. I do a lot of footage here. I like to get that bridge in the background. Really smooth suspension over those jumps there. So there is the occasional noise that comes from the rear of the scooter. I think it's the suspension. Maybe I don't have it set up properly or whatever. I'll have to take a look at that later also. And there's a lot of people up here, so let's jump into the road now. Got some greens, so we'll full throttle here. Jaywalkers! Hit about 35 there or so, not too bad. And we're full throttle again. 30 or 32. 37 miles an hour, 38. Shooting 40 now, 40 miles an hour on the display. We'll see what GPS is later. So overall it feels pretty good at speed. Not bad. The acceleration curve is really nice. Starts off nice and gentle and kind of picks up pretty quickly. It doesn't really tear my arms off like other scooters. Can you really hear that rear tail vibrate now with these bumps? Alright, and here's our first base gate stop by the water. What a nice day. Beautiful day up here by the aquatic park. Nobody's on the beach. Some crazy people swimming in the water. It's ice cold. Let's keep rolling up to Fort Mason Hill now. Alright, up Fort Mason Hill now. Fairly steep little hill. Pretty bumpy also. I was full throttle up a hill and I was going about 16, 17 miles an hour, which is not amazing, but not terrible. And then we're gonna go over here and hit this little off-road path that I like so much. See how this thing does in this wood chip trail over here. Not bad, but I really appreciate some much bigger tires in this thing. We made it though. All right, and this is the Marina Green where we usually like to speed a little bit. Full throttle here. It's really windy though. It's about 35 or so. Hey, that car didn't stop either. Full throttle into the wind right now, 33 miles an hour or so. Not bad. So peaceful out here, barely any cars, no other riders. Just me, the scooter, and the wind. This is great. I do this more often. sound good. Need to get that looked at. And this part up here is really nice, where we just kind of cruise along the ocean. It's beautiful. Wow, what a nice day. All right. And the battery pack on this is dying pretty quick. We're down to about 58 volts on the meter, and I think that's about basically half of what we can get down to. So I definitely recommend you all getting the bigger battery pack if you're gonna get this model, which is the Pro version. And as always, you can find a link to get the scooter in the video description. Getting it from that link kind of gives me a small little kickback and lets me keep making videos like this, so check it out if you're interested. We're gonna head on up towards the beach now, then go down around the beach into Golden Gate Park. Should be a nice little ride. So we are full throttle up this hill now. It's down to 54 volts. And it's a little bit slow going up a hill, but we are slowly gaining speed, so not too bad. We'll see what the GPS says later. All right, guys, and this is one of my favorite parts of the whole thing. Down around Ocean Beach here into Golden Gate Park, and maybe up to Twin Peaks, but I don't think I have battery for that. So let these two cars go, then I'm gonna take off. All right, let's roll. Sometimes in my videos you'll see this kind of angle here. I like to get a little low and put some weight on the front foot, rotate it to the right, and then basically steer as you would a skateboard or a snowboard or something like that. My buddy Randy taught this to me. It's a nice little stance. Really cuts down on the wind resistance also. Probably do a video just in this stance. Alright guys, well, our ride is basically done. The voltage meter is down to about 54 volts, but when I hammer the throttle, it goes down to about 49 point something, so if I try to go up another hill at full throttle, I'm probably going to hit that low voltage cutoff. I could definitely feather the throttle for a few more miles, but what fun is that? We're going to end the video here. I'm going to go inside Flywheel here. Nice little cafe where I can charge up for a bit and then head on home. Hope you guys enjoyed this FPV video. Leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you all next time. Peace out.